One of my absolute favorite things about Okinawa is days like this, where it's super nice outside. Right now it's December, it's nice and cool, it's not hot at all. It feels really good. In fact, if anything, it's kind of cold. Walking down these streets on a nice, bright, sunny, cool day like this, there's the sun again coming out from behind the cloud. Just walking down the streets and just enjoying this sunshine and going to a vending machine and getting one of your favorite vending machine drinks. This is my favorite energy drink in Okinawa. Not sponsored, but this is Lifeguard and it's only 100 yen and the can design is amazing. Also, it looks as good as it tastes. No, it tastes as good as it looks.
Are you like inspired by the videos you watched of mine yesterday? Are you actually making an effort?
Now today, Kit and I are gonna go shopping for our new apartment and we're gonna go to Jesco and see what they have. We're probably gonna go to the 100 yen shop. I'm gonna go to Jesco and shop. And Kit's looking at me weird because she's also vlogging.
I'm really like rude.
Okay, so we're at the Jesco Mall here. I got Ringer Hut. We haven't eaten yet, so I'm gonna try this. This is the spicy noodles, and we're gonna see how it is. Ooh, that smells spicy. Go for it. Did the whole thing. That's right. Thank you. You knew what I was trying to do.
It might be long enough.
I don't want to ruin all the napkins, you know what I'm saying? There's the noodles. I thought it was all gonna be bean sprouts. Ringer Hut is a Japanese sort of fast food restaurant chain. Typically most similar to like Denny's, I guess, but for Japanese food. Although there are restaurants that are like Denny's. It is a cheap Japanese restaurant. It's okay. The noodles taste like top ramen, but the spices and stuff are really good. So, day got away from us. Home now. Entire day happened. And we went shopping and didn't really buy anything. We ended up going to our friend's house because she had some stuff that she's getting rid of for our place. We got a table and a microwave and some shelving. And tomorrow we're gonna get a fridge and a washer from her. So, the vlog today started out really strong and now we're home. What do you think about all of this stuff? It's just been a prepare for moving day.
I'm stressing because it's 10:30 and I gotta put my vlog up. But I think it's been crazy. I think that's why I've been having panic attacks, and I think this is just, it's a lot happening all at once, a lot of transitions going on.
We're also, once we get these videos out, we're gonna set up the Christmas tree. So I guess this was a easy vlog. I'm still working on that ghost story. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go now. See you in the next one. Sorry for the bad vlog.